In this program, we have to find the input is alphabet, digit or symbol. For that, we have to first take input, a character, which may be alphabet, digit or a symbol. So let's start the program. First we need to include the header file stdio.h, standard input output header file, which is used for the function scanf and printf. Another header file is conio.h, console input output for clear screen and getch function. First we need to write the main function. From the main function, the execution is started. The return type of main function is void, as we do not need to return anything from the main function. Then we need to write the data type. Here we need characters, so we use the char data type. Let's suppose C is the character variable. Then we need to write the function clr clear screen, which is used to clear the previous output. In the end, we need to write getch function to hold the output screen. Then we write the printf function. Here we can write any statement, enter any character. Character can be digit, alphabet or a symbol. Now to scan, we use a scanf function. The format specifier must be %c, as we are taking input the character, ampersand to allocate memory, then the variable name. Now we have to compare three things: alphabet, digit and symbol. So it is suitable to use else if. First condition may be if the first condition is false, then it goes to else if, then it goes to else if, and if all the conditions are false, then it goes to by default to the last else. So first we write the if condition. The variable is C, and the condition to compare upper alphabets is whose ASCII code is 65 to 90. So we have to compare C with the ASCII code 65, and we use this AND operator. Then C is less than equal to 90. If this condition is true, then the statement must be printed. We write the statement in printf function. The input is uppercase alphabet. Also, we can print the ASCII code of that character by just with this printf function. We use \n for new line. ASCII value is, instead of %c, we write %d, as we need to write the integer value of that character, which is equivalent to the ASCII code. After comma, we need to write the variable name. If this condition is false, then it goes to the another condition. For that we have to write else if. Here also we write C is greater than or equal to. Now we compare the lowercase alphabet, whose range is from 97 to 122. So we write 97 AND operator, C is less than equal to 122. Then we have to write these statements again. So I copy it with the shortcut key Control Insert and paste with Shift Insert. And here I just need to change lowercase. Now I have to write the third condition. If above two conditions are false, then it goes to the third condition, else if C is greater than or equal to. For the digits, the ASCII code ranges from 48 to 57. So I write 48, then I write AND operator, then C is less than equal to 57. Again, I need these two statements and I change the statement. The input is a digit. In the above three statements, we have checked the uppercase, lowercase and digit, and rest are the symbols. So for that, I do not need to check any condition, just write else for all the other characters. I just need to print the input is a symbol in this way. Now the program is almost completed. I have to run this program to see the output. Enter any character. If I press capital A, then the input is a uppercase alphabet. ASCII value is 65. Similarly, if I again run this program and write Ctrl Z, this capital Z, then again the input is uppercase alphabet. ASCII value is 90. Again, if I press small a, then the input is lowercase alphabet and ASCII value is 97. And then if I again press small z, then the input is lowercase alphabet. If I press 0, the input is a digit, ASCII value is 48. And if I press 9, the input is a digit, ASCII value is 57. If I press any character, alphabet, any symbol, I press $, then the input is a symbol, ASCII value is 36. In this way, you can determine any character's category and its ASCII value. So the program is completed. You can subscribe to watch more lectures on C language or follow me on Madhvam tutorials in YouTube.